Following clips, we're going to talk about the proper way to repack, grease, and adjust your vehicle's wheel bearings. In this clip, we're going to talk about the torquing procedure for your vehicle's lug nuts. On a steel rim, the torque specification is going to be approximately 80 foot-pounds. On an aluminum rim, the torque specification is going to be approximately 100 foot-pounds. After, and this is only particular to the aluminum rims, after you torque the vehicle, torque the wheels down, you're going to want to drive it for 100 miles and then re-tighten the lug nuts. This happens to be steel. We don't have to go through that procedure. 80 foot-pounds is approximately as hard as the average person can pull with one hand. That's not stepping into it or anything like that. It's not necessary to use a torque wrench. If it was, your vehicle would come with one instead of a tire iron. There's a specific method you want to torque the wheel down in. We're going to start with this lug nut right here. And that's it right there. From here, we have two choices. We can go to this lug nut or this lug nut. What you're going to want to do is go to the farthest one away. And I have two, like I said. We're just going to go with this one. From here, we're going to go to the next farthest one away, which is going to be here. And then the next farthest one away from here is this guy right here. And then the last one right there. When you follow that procedure, the star torquing procedure, that will ensure that your wheel is torqued down flat and centered. Eliminate any kind of vibrations. And that's it. That is the proper way to torque down your vehicle's lug nuts.